Dear student, this is the question of the EDC, and they are provided the two diodes here, the diode 1 and the diode 2, and they are providing the carrier concentration of the P side and the N side respectively 10⁻14, 10⁻14 atom per centimeter cube for both the specimens. And if this diode is creating the C1 capacitance, this diode is creating C2 capacitance under the same reverse bias voltage and same cross-sectional area, what should be the value of the C2 divided by C1? You have to calculate this, and basically this is the numerical type answer, and you have to put the value numerical type. That means the firstly C is equals to epsilon A by W. And what is this W? W is basically the depletion region at diode. That means I can write down like this: epsilon A. What is the W? 2 epsilon by Q V of J. That means 1 upon NA plus 1 upon ND. Here, see, this epsilon is a constant value. This is epsilon is a constant value. This Q is a constant value, and they are providing. This is a constant because the same for first and second. This is also same. The junction potential, that means across develop between these two across, that means Vj is here and Vj is here because the same reverse bias potential across both of them. Now that means I can write down like this: the C, that means the C1 can be written like as some constant value divided by NA inverse plus ND inverse. And if it is C1, that means NA1 D and 1, and the C of 2 can be written like this: K divided by NA2 inverse plus ND2 inverse. You just have to take the ratios and you will get the answer. That means C2 by C1. Firstly calculate the C1 by C2. You will get NA2 inverse plus ND2 inverse divided by NA inverse plus ND1 inverse. Now, whenever you will put the values, you will get 2 into 10 raised to minus 16 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 14, because NA1 ND1 is 14 and NA2 ND2 10 raised to 16. That means C1 divided by C of 2. Now here, it is 16, it is 14. That means 2 will cancel out. And you will get C1 divided by C2 is equals to 1 divided by root over 100. Because 10 raised to minus 2, you will get here, that means 1 upon 100. That means C1 divided by C2 is equals to 1 upon 10. And the C2 upon C1 is 10. And this is your right answer.